You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this wonderful word. Isn't it wonderful? I love to look at it, but yes, it's very confusing. So let's clarify the pronunciation. It's a word from German that designates a particular view on life, an ideology, a point of view on life, a philosophy. Weltanschauung, that's the German pronunciation. Weltanschauung. Weltanschauung. In English, therefore, if you cannot pronounce German perfectly, you can say similarly, Weltanschauung. Weltanschauung. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.